expected August 29. Jio 5G service and Jio Phone 5G could be launched on this date. Specifications. The new Jio Phone 5G is expected to have a 6.5-inch HD+IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1:600 by 720 pixels. It is expected that the new phone will be equipped with Snapdragon 485G SoC along with 4G RAM and 32GB storage. 13-megapixel primary sensor and 2-megapixel macro lens. For clicking selfies, the front camera has 8-megapixel sensors, Live Hindustan report stated. The company has developed in collaboration with Google, which cities to get Jio 5G first. According to reports, these cities will get 5G services in the first phase. New Delhi, Chandigarh, Gurugram, Mumbai, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Jamnagar, Pune, Lucknow, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai. How much does Jio Phone 5G cost? According to Live Hindustan report, the Jio Phone 5G is expected cost around 12,000.